Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Pakistan School Salala welcomes you here, grade 9, for the discussion of your exercise, chapter number 2, atomic structure, by your chemistry teacher. So here you are going to see our discussion was on question number 3. The question is, the electronic configuration listed are incorrect. Explain what mistake has been made in each and write correct electronic configuration. As already we have discussed many times electronic configuration. So for giving this answer, we have to keep that in our mind. Number one point is that we have to remember the sequence of the subshells given. So sequence of the subshell was given to fill up the electron was given by Offa. Offa told us that electrons can be filled by increasing energy order of their subshells. So that was a rule that we are following to write the electronic configuration of an element. Electronic configuration means that you have to place electrons into the proper shells and subshells. So here the electronic configuration of X element is given, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4 and 2p2, 3p2. Now if we talk about the sequence, so think of that. Is the sequence correct? Let's read. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4 and then comes 3p2. Is it correct? No, it's not correct. Because what was the correct sequence? 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, 3s2, 3p. But we have to, a second rule was that first we will complete the lowest energy subshell, then we will go to the next subshell. If our first shell or subshell is not completed, we cannot make jump electron to go into the higher orbits or subshells. So here the case is the same. Here you can see a third point. Third point, you must know how many maximum electron subshell can have. So if we recall, S subshell can have maximum 2. So 1s2, it's correct. S shell again have maximum 2 electron. After 1s comes 2s. This is also correct. After 2s comes 2p. This is correct. But how many electrons in P? P subshell have maximum 6 electrons. So here it's showing 4 and then it's going to jump into 3p2. That is wrong, dear students. So here we came to know the sequence of electronic configuration of X element is wrong. So we answer here incorrect. So what is, we have to correct it as well. So how we will correct that? We have to fill first this p orbital, then we have to go in the next subshell. Although next subshell is written wrong, do you think that? If it is 2p4, 2p, after 2p comes 3s, so 3s is not written here. One mistake is this. Second mistake, p subshell is incomplete, so we are going to complete it and then we are going to write here, this is correct option. X, correct electronic configuration you will write, that 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. All three rules of filling up the electrons in the subshells are complete over here. The subshells are arranged in the increasing order. Each subshell first contains maximum electrons, then it will go into the next electrons, and maximum number of electron is correct over here for each subshell. So that is correct option. Next we move to our next question, that is Y element. Y element is 1s2, 2s1, 2p1. So how many electrons, electronic configuration do you think is over here same? Yes, there is the same mistake that S subshell contain maximum 2 electrons and it is not filled. So at first glance I came to know the electronic configuration is incorrect. So in this way, if your basic concept about electronic configuration, its rules of filling electrons, its sequence and maximum number of electron each subshell, if it is clear to you, then this question, they are tricky and you can easily solving them. So here again the difference is, what would be the correct option? P subshell will not be filled. First we have to fill 2s. So after filling, completing 1s2, electrons will go into 2s subshell. 2s subshell can have a space of 2 electrons. So it will fill first, take up 2 electrons. Then if the remaining electrons left with the Y element, then it can go to 2p. But there are no, unfortunately, there are no electrons. So one electron, this one has to go back to S1. So what would be our correct electronic configuration over here? It is what? Do you think this electronic configuration written here is right? We are going to correct it, and its name is what? Its name is Y. So here comes the complete electronic configuration, the corrected one over here. That's it. Okay, so our next question is Z element have 1s2, 2s2, 2p5, 3s1. Again the same mistake. It is having that p electron must be having how many electron? P sub shall be having 5 electrons. No, it would be having 6 electrons. So first it will complete a 6 electron, then it will go to s orbital. So s subshell. So it was going to have 6 electron over here. So let's see, the answer is written correctly. Do you think so? The element is X. No, it is Z. So we will correct here. Z, our subshell, Z element. It have first cell. It will be having 2 electrons. Then second subshell has 2 electrons, and third subshell has 6 electrons. So S1 is not it here. Here it is only 6. So you will be able to write the it is incorrect, write reason, and then correct it yourself. So you can do that. One more question, I think we should pick our exercise. That is question number 4. It is in accordance with this concept. So we have to see which orbital in each of the following pairs is low in energy. So first we talk about that. This pair, 2s and 2p, which is lower? Yes, s orbital is always lower energy. Both are of second shell, and s orbital is of lower energy. So first answer, part A, is 2s. Here in this case, both p subshells are given. Orbital, subshell are the one and the same thing. So orbital, subshell, sub-energy level is the name of one thing. Do remember, students? So these are subshells, orbitals, or sub-energy levels. So 3p, 2p, which is lower? Exactly, 2p is the lower one. And here, which is lower, 3s or 4s? Exactly, 3s is the lower energy level. It would be accommodating electron first, then electron will go into the higher energy orbit. Thank you very much, students. Please stay back learning always chemistry on time, doing assignment. This is very important. Follow instructions, keep safe yourself, and stay at home doing chemistry, doing fun with chemistry, do your exercise, read your book, and thank you very much.